Hello and welcome to our latest video, where we delve into some of the most intriguing and groundbreaking research papers in the field of artificial intelligence and human-computer interaction. Today we'll be exploring three fascinating studies that provide fresh insights and raise important questions for researchers, developers, and users alike. First up, we'll examine Challenges in Human-Agent Communication, a paper that explores the hurdles and opportunities in creating seamless interactions between humans and AI agents. This research highlights the complexities of understanding and improving communication channels to enhance user experience and efficiency. Next, we'll dive into the ethics of advanced AI assistants, a compelling analysis of the ethical considerations that arise with the increasing presence of AI in our daily lives. This paper discusses the moral responsibilities of developers and the potential societal impacts of these technologies. Finally, we'll discuss interactive AI alignment specification, process, and evaluation alignment, which offers an in-depth look at aligning AI systems with human values and intentions. This research provides valuable frameworks for ensuring that AI systems operate in ways that are beneficial and aligned with human goals. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we explore these cutting-edge studies that are shaping the future of AI and human interaction.
Imagine a world where your digital assistant could plan a vacation, fix your code, or even negotiate contracts. Sounds amazing, right? But there's a catch. These AI agents, powered by cutting-edge generative models, come with their own set of complex communication challenges. Welcome to the realm of human-agent interaction, where clarity is crucial. This groundbreaking research identifies 12 key challenges in effectively communicating with AI agents. It turns out, many times, they misunderstand our goals, make inconsistent decisions, or miss the mark on our preferences. Picture an agent booking a luxury resort when you needed a business hotel, or a coding assistant failing to sort data correctly. Such missteps highlight the need for transparency and control. This study is a call to arms for researchers to develop new guidelines that ensure these digital helpers truly understand us. By bridging communication gaps, we can harness their power responsibly, paving the way for a future where humans and AI work seamlessly together. The stakes are high, but with the right tools, the possibilities are endless. In a not-so-distant future, advanced AI assistants have woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives. Imagine an AI that not only manages your schedule, but also engages in meaningful conversations, offers emotional support, and even helps you make life-changing decisions. This transformation brings with it a new set of ethical challenges, as explored in a groundbreaking study on the implications of these advanced assistants. At the heart of this research is a call for balance. These AI assistants, with their natural language interfaces and powerful autonomy, promise unprecedented convenience and personalization. However, their potential to manipulate, misinform, or even deepen societal divides cannot be overlooked. The study emphasizes the importance of aligning AI behavior with human values, safeguarding privacy, and ensuring equitable access to prevent a future of technological haves and have-nots. The broader significance? This research sets the stage for a new era of human-computer interaction, urging developers, policymakers, and society at large to shape these technologies responsibly. As we stand on the brink of this AI evolution, the choices we make today will determine whether these assistants become trusted partners or sources of unintended consequences. Picture this: you're communicating with an AI, not by telling it what to do step by step, but by describing the outcome you desire. This new paradigm in human-computer interaction is transforming the way we engage with technology. The research on interactive AI alignment introduces a novel framework to ensure that AI systems align with user intentions through three key alignments: specification, process, and evaluation. Imagine a coding assistant that not only writes the code you need, but also explains the choices it made, helping you understand and verify its output. This research addresses the challenge of aligning AI's capabilities with user expectations, ensuring that the AI not only interprets your requests accurately, but also provides transparency into how it achieves results. By doing so, it bridges the gap between human intent and machine execution, paving the way for more intuitive and effective AI systems. This alignment framework could revolutionize the future of user-AI interactions, making technology more accessible and aligned with human goals.